How to use the new ChatGPT 5.6. ChatGPT 5.6 is the newest upgrade with deeper reasoning and flexible modes. Let's break down how to use it step by step. So, you'll need a paid plan, Plus, Pro, Business, or Enterprise. So, you can do that by clicking on this upgrade button at the bottom left. So as you can see in here, there are different types of plan that you have, such as personal plan and business plan. And under that, you'd find the different types of plans as well. So once active, open the model picker and select ChatGPT 5.6 Sol or GPT 5.6 Sol Pro. ChatGPT 5.6 lets you choose reasoning levels: medium for everyday tasks, high for complex projects, and extra high for maximum depth, and pro for long workflows. Modes include chat for quick answers, work for structured inputs, work for structured outputs like reports, and codex for coding and debugging. So give clear instructions. For example, you want to create a 30-minute agenda for a customer support team with 5 minutes for Q&A. Simply enter that prompt into this section and then hit on enter to send this command. Now ChatGPT will then give you the answer to your questions. So the more context, the better the output. Refine results with follow-ups like make this shorter, give me 3 approaches, or ask me questions before continuing. ChatGPT 5.6 is powerful for creators, freelancers, and businesses. It adapts to quick chats, deep reasoning, and coding tasks.